Hey guys, welcome back for another update on the engine rebuild project for my 66 Beetle. First of all, I want to thank all my recent subscribers for your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click that link in the corner to help the JMK Garage channel grow, which will help support these projects and the making of these videos. So as you have seen in the last videos, you can see off in the corner over there, I have completely rebuilt the engine, which is now almost ready to lift back in there. There's some final tuning left of the carpet to do. Now as you can see since my last videos, I pulled the Swingaxle transmission out, repainted it, replaced CV boots, did some cleaning, painting on the bottom side of the car. So now I need to install the clutch return spring, place the worn trans mounts, install the new throat bearing, get lifted and bolted back up in there. Then I'll need to play around with the blasting cabinet here, clean up the bump stops, brake hardware, so I can get that all painted up. And I'm planning to lower the car, so while I'm here, I'll pull these plates out, turn them up a couple notches, and then I'll get the back end sitting a few inches lower. Once the engine's back in, I need to pull that front end apart and weld the 2 adjustment screws onto the front beam to allow it to match the back end once it's lowered. Anyways, stay tuned, and as always, thanks for watching, guys. So as you can see, I pulled the spring plates off of the torsion bars. I've marked the line on where they were, and when I reinstall, I'll turn them up 2 clicks, which should lower the rear end about 5 inches. Anyways, before I put those back on, just need to clean it up, re-grease things, and start reassembling.